Hello and welcome to another update video about Kaspa. Kaspa has seen quite a bit of a sell-off in the last few days. It's going to be interesting now because we are now approaching absolute key support. I cannot stress how important this support level is. We did mention it in previous videos. It's 4.15 cents. Okay, as long as the 50% retracement level here is holding, we can give it a chance to move higher. Yeah, in a fifth wave. Oops, fifth wave. There you go, 1 second. Come on. Fifth wave, of the fifth wave, of a C wave, yeah, of a larger third. So this is a key level. If it breaks below that, I cannot really call that a wave 4 anymore. And then things will become very awkward. At the moment, you can see that the move down is only a 3-wave move. So I can call that an A wave down, a B wave up, and the C wave might be still in the making. And it looks like we only have 3 waves in the C wave, so it might get another low. Okay, so basically a lower high and a lower low. But below 4.1 cents, especially if we get a sustained break below that, I will have to start to prefer the white wave count, which means that this third wave already topped here. This was a large A wave, high B wave, and a move down in C. This was my original expectation. You may remember that, but then it pushed a little higher here still, but it could just have been a high B wave. So we'll see. But yeah, just focus on the 4.1 cent level. Either way, we know that Kaspa was here pretty close to a high anyway. So looking at reward to risk, the risk was here certainly to the downside, because this is a target range overall for this larger third wave. Could have pushed a little higher, can still do that. But I mean, we only talk really about a fifth wave that could still play out here. Overall, most of the rally is done. And it's basically just waiting for a signal that this larger fourth wave is starting. And as soon as we get the first deeper pullback, that is very desirable, because then we get more clarity about where we actually are here overall on the larger Kaspa roadmap. Yeah, looking at the bigger picture, regardless of whether there is still a larger third wave or an extension or not, we should still get a fifth wave afterwards. That would be ideal, at least in this yellow wave count, So as soon as we have a confirmed top in place here, which in my opinion will be confirmed as soon as we break below 4.1 cents, then I will add support for this yellow fourth wave. Okay, so that is a little bit too early now, but yeah, we talked about it. Bearish divergence is up here, and it would be confirmed below 4.1 cents. Until then, the price could extend higher in this existing third wave higher. And the next extension levels are 5.9 cents, 6.5, and 7.4. These are all still possible, but as you can see, if we zoom out a little bit, most of that overall rally has been done, and we really only talk about a little bit more of an extension that would still be possible before we come down in this fourth wave, which at some point just has to be done. Okay, and yeah, at the moment I think it's just having a bit of patience and watching that area, and I would at the moment expect the price to reach it. At the moment I would expect it to test it, this 50% fib level, and yeah, if we see a bounce, that could be the start of that fifth wave, but a break below it would certainly make this yellow wave count, the yellow micro count, far less likely. And then if we break below that level, the first structural support level will most likely be down here around the 3.3 cent range, and also the ascending trend line I would pay some attention to. At the latest, with the break of that trend line, yeah, this uptrend is over and we're coming back in the fourth wave. And the earliest signal we can get is the break below 4.15 cents. That's my update about Kaspa. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.